display.
But then when you get hurt doing it, it's like how old you are.
Yeah, then when you're at Denny's next morning, you're like, I get cut here, and then it hurts.
Head rubber.
Is there anything you guys like to hear? It feels like that kind of thing.
Call it off.
Call it off.
Better love.
Better love.
Better love. Dakota.
Firecracker. Big.
Bad Moon Rising.
Trampoline.
Fall asleep.
Oh, I would like to hear about that.
Yeah. Okay, so...
No, not my
Okay, we got to start. We're going to say 11 years. You want to hear that?
Yes.
Okay. And then we'll get to everything else.
What? You're recording? Oh, no, you're real.
Well, you wake the love that sleeps inside, and dream that she had never died. Wipe that tear, but you don't know why. For your bitter love, just not for me. Better love I do not see. Well, this girl, she had it kind of sweet, and fame swept her off her feet. Sees nothing she did before, lets her colors hit the floor. Scars all in her name, she'll scar me in blame. Today, Scarlet, you're not the same. So be careful what you choose about loving me and you, and I'm not ashamed. So I'll walk another mile to help you find our child, and I don't know what to do. You lost in the truth. Let love from you. So I flew west to see her cry. 2 weeks since the music died, I watched the camera shoot this girl. Seems to me a hollow pearl. Mother sat me down. What's it like, oh my boy, to be so distraught? So be careful what you choose. There are for me and you, and I'm not ashamed. Another mile to help you find our child, and I don't know what to do. Feel lost in the truth. Let love take you through. So here I sit, some years have passed. Say I don't, but I miss her bad. Smell her in my sheets, you see, like she's sleeping next to me. And then she'll say,